Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you today. I've got a fabulous show for you, and it is super fast and easy. You will have that dinner on the table in probably less than 30 minutes. I was a young mom. I had 6 children, and me and my husband made 8. So I had to think of fast, easy, quick meals to get on the table. So this one is a turkey roll-up with some stuffing. I'm using Stovetop Stuffing, but by all means, if you want to make your own stuffing, you can. And I made a jar gravy, so if you want to use your own homemade gravy, go for it. But I'm just showing you what I did to get dinner on the table, and I am so excited to show you. And back then, I want to let you know that they did not have YouTube channels, so I had to use my Betty Crocker book or my Better Homes book and try to think of things to make. So I thought of this one, and I hope you like it, and let's get up and let's go to the kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna get right into the ingredients. The very first thing you're going to need to do is make your stovetop stuffing, which I already have here. You'll need 1 box. You'll need 2 cans of turkey gravy, and sorry I got 2 different brands, but oh well. And you'll need some cooking spray. You'll need 1 nice big pan to put the turkey in. You'll need your gravy ready. Right here I have homemade mashed potatoes, and this will be coming up next on Maria's Kitchen. And I've also got homemade biscuits, which that'll be coming up, so you're going to want to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned so that you'll know when it comes up. I have to tell you about the turkey here. I got this turkey at the deli, and that's what you're going to want to get it from the deli. You need to get it sliced. They'll slice it for you 1/4 inch thick. So I got about 10 pieces here, which is about 1 pound. So I just showed you a couple of those items, the mashed potatoes and the biscuits, because they will be on Maria's Kitchen shows coming up soon. But it does go with this turkey stuffing dinner that I'm making. The very first thing you're going to need to do is make the stuffing mix according to the box directions, and I already have it here, so you want to have it ready. I also put my gravy in here. I have that ready, and I have my turkey slices here. I have 1 big casserole dish. It's a little bigger, and it's okay, you can go a little smaller. I sprayed it with some cooking spray, and what I want to do is, the very first thing is just put a little bit of gravy kind of on the bottom, just a little bit. And then we are going to get ready. Put your oven at 400 degrees. So the very first thing you're doing is putting your slice in there. You're getting a little bit of stuffing, and you're going to put it in the center. It's okay if it comes out on the sides because it's going to be in the casserole. The next thing is you're going to get a little bit of gravy and put it inside of the cutlet. You're going to get it and kind of roll it over the best you can. Tuck the sides of the stuffing in, and there you have it. Sometimes they come out really perfect like this when they cut them. So it just all depends. And look how beautiful. And this is kind of like a little turkey dinner, even though it's not Thanksgiving time. But this tastes wonderful, and it's done in a matter of just 15 minutes. They're all rolled up, and I'm going to put the gravy, and I'm going to smother it kind of on top, get it everywhere. So I should have used a smaller pan, but I didn't. So it made about, let me see, 3, 6, 9, 10. You want it fully smothered. We're going to put it in a 400-degree oven, and it's going to cook till it's bubbly. I'll let you know the time. The last thing, I'm going to sprinkle some stuffing on top. Sprinkle it on top because you'll have some left over. Why not use it? I love this stuffing, and it looks really pretty.
and we can just put it all over. It's going to be nice and piping hot, and we'll eat it with our mashed potatoes and our sides. Okay, it's going into the oven for 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. We'll try it. We're going to assemble this plate, and look at, I'm going to do 3 scoops of mashed potatoes, and I'm going to go ahead and try to scoop one of these out really carefully and see if I don't make a big mess. There's 1. How many should I give him? 2. You know what? Let's load the plate up.
3.
He's been working very hard, so he's getting 3 of them. More gravy on top of the mashed potatoes, of course. These are my homemade mashed potatoes, and I'm going to put a little more gravy, and of course I'm going to grab the homemade biscuits. I give him 3 of everything. Why not? He's a hard worker. And I'm going to put some vegetables over here, and his favorite of course is green beans. Can I get it on without making a mess? Look at that plate. How gorgeous is that? I'm hungry too. So I'm going to take this to my husband. It's time for him to eat. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll be back with the scripture of the day. You got to make this.
Delicious.
May He grant your heart's desires today and make all your plans succeed. My heart's desire is to honor you. Lord, I give you my heart and my soul. I live for you alone. Every breath that I take, every moment I'm awake, Lord, have your way in me. May your desires be placed in my heart, and your desire is that none should perish. Your desire is that I turn to you. Your desire is for righteousness, and your desire is I cast my cares on you. When your desires truly become ours, how can we not succeed at living a life that is held in your hand? Lord, give me the desires of my